Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Deondra. Today I'm going to be doing a Fenty skin unboxing and first impressions video. So if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. So most of y'all know that I mainly do natural hair content on this channel, and I'm just really serious about my natural hair. I have a full regimen that I stick to religiously, and I just figured I should probably start doing the same thing for my skincare. So that's what I'm starting today. I really wanted to make sure that I started with a product that was Black owned and a product that I felt like I could really trust. And if y'all know, Rihanna is serious about her brand, and I don't feel like she puts out anything that she doesn't really believe in. So I figured, why not start with Fenty Skin? So I ordered these products straight from her website, and I did 2-day shipping just because I wanted to make sure that I got my products in time for this video, since I do videos every single Friday. So I don't know how long it would have taken if I had just done standard shipping. So I decided to just order the starter kit since I'm literally starting out with skincare, and I figured that would be the best way to kind of get my feet wet with this whole skincare thing. And the starter kit comes with 3 products. It comes with a moisturizer, it comes with a toner, and a cleanser. So let's open up the box and see what everything looks like. So this is how it looks in the box. Looks really, really cute. I love this packaging. And like I said, it comes with 3 products: the total cleanser, the toner, and the moisturizer slash sunscreen. So I love how all of her packaging is in cardboard. Her brand is very eco-friendly, which is why there's not a lot of plastic, which is always great. So now I'm going to open this so we can look at each product individually. All right. So we are going to start with the Total Cleanser. It says a remove it all cleanser. Directions: use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Wet skin, work into a lather, rinse. All right. So this is what the packaging looks like. So I watched some other videos and I saw that some of them were confused about how to actually open this, because it looks like a regular screw top, but it's actually a click top. So you twist. So like right now it's closed, and then when you twist, it's open. So I thought that was really cute and unique. You don't really see that often. Usually stuff just has a regular lid. So I have this towel, and I'm just gonna start off by wetting my face with this. And I don't have any makeup on my skin right now, but this product is actually a makeup remover. So if I did have on makeup, it would remove the makeup from my face. But we're just using it today as just a regular cleanser. Oh wow, so it's like a pink color, which is really cute. Okay, so y'all can see that this is a pretty thick cleanser. I've used other cleansers that were a lot more watery, but this one is nice and thick, which is nice. All right, so now I'm just gonna start rubbing it in. cleanser feels like really nice. It kind of has like a creamy feel, which feels really good. And it definitely feels like it's really working to get your skin nice and clean. Okay, so now I'm just going to wipe this off. Alright, so my skin feels really good. Feels super soft right now, like even with just the cleanser. And it's already getting a nice little shine to it. Yeah, so that's really nice. So the only thing about this twist top is that when you close it, there's some product left over. So it kind of feels like you're wasting a little bit of the product, which is not a huge deal, but as you can see, this is not a very big package of this. It's only 1.52 fluid ounces since this is the starter kit, but it's really not that big of a deal. You just have to wipe it off and then keep going. All right, so now that that is pretty much dry, I'm going to go in with the next product, which is the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. Directions: use day and night on clean skin, apply over face with fingers. So this is supposed to be good for any problem areas, any dark spots or anything like that. And I do have a few dark spots on my face, so I was really excited to try this out. So this is what it looks like. It looks very, very pretty. I love how all of her stuff has this pretty like rose color. So this one looks like it's just a regular screw top. So it's like this. And I think you just dab it on your fingers. So this obviously is more of a liquid feel. So I'm just gonna put that on my fingertips and rub. So that feels like really nice. It doesn't leave like a weird residue or anything, which is good. My face still feels really nice and soft. And now we're just gonna go in with the final product, which is the Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. And y'all, this is essential because it is not only a moisturizer, but it's also a sunscreen. And I know that a lot of us do not use sunscreen as much as we should, me included. But just because we have melanin in our skin does not mean that we don't need sunscreen. Even when it's not super sunny out, like it's about to be going into the fall and winter, when the sun is out at all, those rays are still getting to your skin. So it's always super important that we keep our skin protected. So the back of this says, use every single day, no excuses. Apply before makeup for the ultimate canvas. All right, Rihanna, I'm gonna try, girl. I'm gonna try to use this every single day. I know I need to do better. Okay, so this is really cute. It's like a little pump. And it's super small, so it can like fit in your purse and you can take it with you wherever you go. Like, yeah, she did a really good job with this one. So this is what it looks like. And that's the little pump. So the directions say, apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Use a water-resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating. Reapply at least every 2 hours. So if you were gonna be outside for a while, you would need to apply this again if you're gonna be out there for more than 2 hours. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love the color. I don't even know if y'all can really see, but it's a really pretty pink color. This feels amazing. Definitely does not feel like your regular drugstore sunscreen for sure. You can tell that it is also really moisturizing. I am loving this. Put some on my neck too. Wow. Alright, so I've used all 3 products, and I must say that my skin, y'all, is glowing. Like, do y'all see this? Girl, this is crazy. I really love this, and my face just feels so soft. I am obsessed. I love it. So of course, these were just first impressions, and my first impressions of this starter kit is wow. Like, I really think these products are super well made. They feel amazing, and I'm gonna keep using these. So I'm gonna be using these every single day, and I'm gonna come back with maybe a 2-week or 1-month update with some before pictures, after pictures, just so that y'all can see what my skin is looking like, and also just to give a little more perspective into how I'm actually feeling about these products, because obviously my skin is not gonna do anything different with one application. But when I come back in a few weeks, I'll be able to let y'all know how I am feeling about them then. But so far, y'all, I say go pick y'all up some, because these products are like bomb. I love it. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed yourself, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. That really helps to spread my video to more people. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on my post notifications so that you can join the family. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.